Taking your shots from awesome to amazing has never been so easy. Seriously. Auto Creations deliver stunning photo and video edits that you can enjoy as is or use as a starting point. Just launch your home screen and find fun, curated collages and slideshows. Snapshots taken from your videos, and super cool effects applied to your photos, all waiting and ready for you to share. Pretty cool, right? See something you'd like to change? Easy. Everything can be customized. So cute. So now, finding inspiration for what to do with your favorite shots will never be a problem again.